Welcome to how to earn money from Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money by creating how-to pens. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So if you go to Pinterest, one of the most things that people like in Pinterest is to find how-to pens. So as an example, they searched for how to build something or how to do something, and they found a pen, and that pen will redirect them to a link with the full guide. So how to make a how-to pen in Canva? You simply search for how-to pen, and you will find a lot of templates to do how-to pens. So you simply click on any free one or pro one if you got a pro subscription. So I'll click on this and click on customize. Then as you see, you can change anything. You can change the header, the picture, the background photo. You can change simply anything. Like here, I will type how to play games for free 2024 and I will change. And I change this to Gamer Tips. So you can download it or make a copy, or you can create a new design if you want to make a lot of pens. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.